Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is what we had for breakfast. The main dish for breakfast was the catfish, along with other things like oatmeal and bread, but the main one was the catfish. That's the recipe I'm going to show you now, and I hope you like it and try it if you haven't done it. But it's so yummy, and it will save you from thinking of whether you're going to have boiled egg, omelette, fried egg, or eggs are the main thing for breakfast. But today we decided to do it differently. I'm sure in every household like ours, we don't really stick to this is for breakfast only. We just eat anything. My kids are now used to it. At times we eat proper African food. At times we eat the English Western style. Okay, so that's the catfish fillet I have over there, and tomatoes and onions, which I'm going to blend. Those are the ones I'm going to cook first, and these are the spices I use for marinating the fish. That's parsley, salt, red pepper, and paprika, and a little bit of garlic. So I'm firstly blend the tomatoes, cook them, and then add the catfish pieces into the tomato stew. This is just a quick method of cooking, but there are different ways you can cook your catfish: grill, fry, back, whatever way you like. But catfish is so delicious. I just love it so much, and the fact that it doesn't have many bones, it's easy for the kids, the deboned one. Before I got to discover this catfish fillets, we used to buy the whole catfish from an African shop, but now we are eating more of fillets more than the whole catfish. So the oil heated up, and I put all the blended tomatoes and onion. I'm going to cook them until they are almost drying up, and then I'll put the catfish and cook it for about 10 minutes, and then that will be it. Okay, so I hope you like my quick method, quick and easy, and also has got good results. Yeah, so I'm going to put those spices on the fish, as well as the lemon. Squeeze out the lemon. The lemon helps to remove that fish smell, or the taste of smell. It won't be too fishy. It will be just lemonish. It will be nice and with the lemon. So I'm going to rub in the spices. You can put as much as you want, but I don't make it too spicy, just so kids can enjoy it without it being too hot because of the spices. So after rubbing in the spices, I'm going to cut the fish into tiny pieces. Since it's for breakfast, I won't eat it whole. So yeah, I'm just cutting it into pieces. And once it's ready, I'll put it in the tomato stew and cook for 10 minutes. Yeah, so the tomato stew is ready now. I am going to put the fish. Yeah. You can set once you put the fish so that it won't be overcooked and get so mushy. 10 minutes is fair on medium heat, so that it doesn't get overcooked. Just turning it, spacing it around so that each piece absorbs the tomato stew and get cooked properly. Okay, I'll cover it with the lid and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. So these spring onions, I'm going to cut them. That's the last thing I'm going to add on top of the cooked catfish. Just for flavor and to make it more attractive. You know, green on red is just nice to see. And it will be a bonus if it's also add flavor to what you have cooked. So the stew is almost drying up. We'll add the green onions, and that will be it. I hope you guys are going to try it. If you haven't tried this video, I'm sorry if you haven't tried this recipe, and let me know in comments if you enjoyed it. But we did as a family. And after this, you just turn off the heat and cover, and ready to be served. You can serve it with rice, with potatoes, but for us, we had it this morning with bread for breakfast, and it was yummy. Thank you for watching.